Welcome, Kids Quiz Zone. Question -1. 500 to 278 equals? Question -2. What is the place value of 7 in 472? Question -3. Find the missing number. 125, 130, ____, 140. Question 4. How many sides does a pentagon have? Question 5. 9 times 4 equals? Question 6. If one pencil cost $8, what is the cost of 5 pencil? Question 7. Which is the greatest number? Question 8. Half of 50 is? Question 9. 345 plus 120 equals? Question 10. 72 divided by 8 equals? Question 11. How many months are there in 2 years? Question 12. Find the missing number. 3, 6, 12, 24, ___. Question 13. 1000 to 111 equals? Question 14. Which number is divisible by 5? Question 15. What is the perimeter of a square of side 5 centimeters?